Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to your videos.
It's a simple and fun way to make your videos more engaging.
First of all, download and install HitPaw Edimakor on your computer. Run the program, click on Create a Video to get started. Click the Import button and import your video file to the timeline. Now, let's add some GIFs. Similarly, click the Import tab and choose the GIFs you want to use. Drag and drop the GIFs onto the timeline where you want them to appear in your video. You can adjust their duration by dragging the edges of the GIF clip, or copy and paste the clip to make it appear longer. To customize the position and size of the GIFs, click on the GIF clip in the timeline, then use the preview window to move and resize it. Preview your video by clicking the play button. As you can see, this allows us to overlay GIFs onto the video. But what if you want to insert GIFs between video clips instead of using the picture-in-picture effect? It's simple. First, split the video clip where you want to add the GIF. Then, drag the GIF clip to that spot. You may need to resize the GIFs to ensure they look good. Hold on. Before you leave, I have one additional useful tip. If you haven't prepared GIFs in advance, you can find them directly within the program. Simply search for GIFs from GIPHY and drag them into your video project. If everything looks good, it's time to export. Click the Export button, choose your desired settings, and hit Export again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you!